guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below before we get into this video today. So today we'll be reviewing this hair from cranberryhair.com. I'm just showing you guys the box. I think it was so pretty with all this purple and their instructions on the side and all their social media sites surrounding the box. So in the box, of course, you have your wig. You also have some really pretty eyelashes that they give you. These don't look cheap at all, just by the way. And your wig cap. And girl, they gave us 2 pieces. I don't know. Some wig company's been playing nowadays. I just want to let y'all know that. But here is the wig. Here she goes. Say what's up, sis. Say what's up. No, I'm kidding with y'all. But this wig is pre-plucked. This is their 14-inch curly bob wig. The link will be in the description box below if you guys want to go check it out for yourself. I thought she was very pretty to be pre-plucked. She did still have that standard hairline, so we're definitely going to go in and fix that later, but I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. This is a 13x4 lace front wig, so you do have the option to pluck and part wherever you want, and I'm showing you guys the wig construction. There are these combs that you can use and your adjustable straps as well. Nothing about this wig that looked cheap or crazy. The ends were full and curly, and then also initially there was no shedding whatsoever. Just a side note, I did go and bleach the knots on this wig before I started plucking it. So if you guys have watched any of my videos in the past, I like to pluck my wigs when they're wet, and with conditioner on it, this just allows for the hair to clump and for more of the hair to come out in that one area that you're plucking. But be careful with this method because you can over pluck. I did want to let you guys know that the initial knots at the front are very small, so they took to the bleach very well. However, these knots in the back that you guys can see in the video, they didn't take to the bleach at all because I feel like they're double knotted. Just so you know that if you decide to bleach your roots, you might not get the best outcome in the back, so you might want to put makeup on that later, which I definitely did. But in the front, honey, it's laid. That's what I'm showing you guys here. And that was just one side that I plucked, and of course I went in and I plucked the other side to match the other side, so my head wouldn't be looking thick on one side and thin on the other. And this is how the plucking turned out, guys. I personally love it for myself. I didn't want to over pluck this wig because it's curly hair, and as you guys know, the more you brush, the more curly hair will shed over time. So this was perfect for me and my small foreheaded self. I'm just showing you guys all the hair that I plucked out. Sorry about the red hair from my last video, but this is all the hair that I plucked out. I could have did a lot more, but it was reasonable for me. So as you guys know, installing the wig is a very simple process for me. I'm going to show you guys all the products that I used to install this wig and how I installed it if you just keep watching. But as usual, I like to get into more details about the unit during this time. So this is an AliExpress wig, actually. It's made by Cranberry Hair Company, and they have this wig available in a 4x4 lace wig closure as well as a 13x4 lace front wig, which I'm showing you guys here. The inches go anywhere from 8 inches to 16 inches, and they have options for the choice of 150 density to 180 density. Also, you can use their $3 off code on the AliExpress website, and there is free shipping available via FedEx, DHL, and UPS. Everything on their website looks really legit. They even have customer reviews that actually look like real customer reviews. I have never worked with this company or shopped with them before, but as this is my first experience, I am absolutely loving this wig, you guys. I had no problems installing it, and overall I think it's just beautiful. If you guys don't like it, they do have the 90-day buyer protection and the local return within 15 days. So that's about all the specs for this wig, you guys. If there's something that I didn't mention, make sure you leave it in the comments below, and I'll try to answer your question as best as possible. If you guys want the direct link, it will be in the description box, so check there. I'll let you guys watch the rest of the install, and I'll come back to y'all in the end about my final thoughts. If you've made it this far, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. the final results, you guys. It's super big. I haven't defined the hair at all, but I'm just gonna define my hair while I talk to you guys about this hair in general. And to do that, I'm just gonna use some product like this keratin oil conditioner, a dimming brush, and some spray. So to start off, y'all, this hair is super duper pretty. The curls are just absolutely amazing. This was the hair without any product in it whatsoever. That's saying a lot for the hair, like especially after being washed after the knots were kind of dyed. I've had hair like this in the past, and what I'm really scared about is this hair kind of knotting up, but it hasn't done that already. I mean, I just slept in the hair. I didn't put any product on it. I didn't put a sleeping cap in it. And so far, so great. So that's what I'm telling y'all from the first wash. It's been overall amazing. I have noticed some increased shedding. It's nothing too crazy. I still think that it is because of the plucking, because it's just been in the front. It hasn't been in the back at all. And that's just when I run my fingers through it. But like I said, here's the shedding. But this is just in the front. So I'm a little confused because that could be because of the bleaching. That could be because I still didn't get all the things out. I still haven't used a brush to brush through this whole wig, even during the whole install. So I'm gonna do that right now, and we're gonna see if we get any more shedding. But this wig is so pretty, y'all. I definitely think it's just a throw-on type of wig. It looks super classy. So if I had to rate this wig, I would rate this wig as an 8 out of 10. Just because of the shedding knocks down some points, and I can't figure out why it's still shedding. But I don't know. The shedding's not too bad because it is a curly wig. So here is the hair wet, and I'm going to diffuse it with a blow dryer to show y'all. Okay guys, this is how the curls look defined. They're super pretty. They're still a little damp, but I'm really trying my best not to run my fingers through them so I can show you guys on camera. Yeah, so far, so amazing. Overall, love this wig. Like I said, the shedding did stop. The shedding did stop once I ran a brush through it. So just to let you guys know that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. Make sure you guys checked out my last video. And if you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up on your way out. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day. And I hope to see you guys as subscribers or watchers of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.